I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, girl, I know.
We just packed up the car for the second time. We are going to get food because neither of us have eaten all day. And it's almost 4 o'clock. Finished packing up everything. The leasing office closes at 6. And we got mostly everything, but I'm gonna still have to clean up and do stuff like that.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking all back. You know the truth.
Okay, y'all, so my camera is dying, but this is a very bittersweet moment, but we're getting everything out the way. Everything is out of my bedroom too as well. So, proof. I'm trying to get proof of everything so that they don't try to like overcharge me. It's $25 a bag of trash. So this is proof that there's nothing here. Under the bed, y'all, like I'm getting sad. But yeah, this is all the stuff that I have. I have to go turn in my key, and my roommate said she would let me back up if I need to get everything out, because I'm not gonna be out by 6 o'clock. It's 5:37 now. We're trying to make it work. We're gonna take a few more things down. I'm gonna turn in my key, take it to the storage unit and or home, and then come back and get the rest of everything. But this is it, y'all. Like, I'm moving out of this apartment. I'm gonna miss you for 18. Oh, nothing, just did my own makeup today.
Okay.
I think it looks really good for the first time. I feel like it looks way better on like my phone camera, but I think I look good. Like, wait until I learn something for real, then it's over. Ignore the stuff in the back seat, y'all, because we have not finished unpacking stuff and figuring out where everything is gonna go, and we are still in the process of looking for apartments, so bear with the mess. Makeup by me, hair by Bree. Period. We don't have much to do. I'm actually about to go to work. We're about to go get beat ups, and then Bae's mom's birthday is around the corner, so we're gonna go shopping. Let me look at some charm, you know, that's gonna be my job. We made it just in time. This is my favorite weather, especially just to like lay up and be in the house. I do want to go to work though.
She fight the tape, no win this cat, nigga can't even see me on win this cat. She fight a flight, nigga win this cat. She fight a flight, man, on way out of here. She fight a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far this cat. Hermes ash for
We are coming to get a dress, right, for the wedding, and some charms. My mama's bracelet.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you don't know where to be found as they sing along. I say, you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up.
I ran out of storage, but I'm getting this one instead of this one. They both fit good, like the other one better, and
someone to talk to for hours, wash your back while y'all sit in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you and mean it, someone to tell you I love you every day and don't got a reason. Want someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody who can make it better, somebody who can open up those gates, open up those gates, hit our heart, only if you're ready. I'm on the stage right now, singing your
It's so cute in here.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way.
Could you please get your stitch made big? Make sure it feels good.
I'm sorry you chose to say.
Close your eyes and make a big wish, and then give it a kiss to lock it in. And then you can put it inside your stitch.
No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time.
We got lights out, but we about to get back. We back, we got that. We'll be back when we get to lash. Definitely.
And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in a div. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like it over. She gets down just like it over. Run the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. It's the way. She wasn't on a runner, she wanted a runner. See the dark skin girls with a light skin crew. Yeah, we used to you. She the light skin girl with a light skin crew. Y'all know what to do. I'm still saying this bitch knows like crazy love. She gets down just like crazy love. Round the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad.
You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. That you can feel like summer. I feel like summer.